Welcome back. Today I thought I'm gonna do a quick update on the servo motor build. There was a bit of a delay because I moved house. So the plastic parts are now made in metal. Not fully finished. Unfortunately I didn't take any videos. I just machined it. So, but yeah, it looks the same actually. Got a bigger motor, got a shaft, which basically goes this way, and then the other bearing. It's a spacer here, and that's how it goes together. Need to broach some keyways, machine a keyway here. The shaft is a bit longer because I don't know exactly what the length is I need. But yeah, it's going forward at some point. Here's the other gear. Broached the keyway already. Have to do it on the other one. There's the coupling, needs machining here. So still a bit to go, but we're getting there at some point. And in the meantime we're going to sort the electronics out. These motors are quite powerful. They do 390 RPM and I think they're 40 watts. I'm intending having 2 of those. That's the reason why I machined 2 registers already. Yeah, sorry for not taking any machining videos of those. But, there was just no time for it. That's it so far from the servo motor. So what's coming up next? We're gonna maybe next. We're gonna machine that thing to the right diameter and put a keyway in. It's actually for this beauty, which is a 10 kVA generator. The engine is here. It's a Kubota 4-cylinder diesel, and some people might guess what that becomes at some point. Gonna fit more readouts on the mill. We already got this one here, which is sort of provisionally fitted, with the other 2 axes gonna be done as well. Nice job for the winter time. The speakers found their place as well. They're quite nice, they work. On this one we got some issues with the spindle bearings. There is one spot which doesn't feel right, so we probably take the spindle bearings out and have a look at it. It's getting better if it's warm, but if it's cold you can clearly feel there's a tight spot somewhere. The machine has been standing for quite a long time, so there is a possibility that there is some gunk, rust, whatever in the bearings. So that's gonna be a video as well at some point. Looks like a long winter, so we need some projects. This beauty here needs looking at as well. I bought it with a job lot of tools on an auction. I didn't really want it, but it came with a lot, so the wheels are binding. It's not moving at all. Don't know if the motor is seized or something else. I didn't even look at it. I've got it for quite a while now. Maybe come handy at sometimes if it appears there are. Hasn't been much love applied to it. It's moving, but yeah, it needs looking at. Yeah, I'm still moving things back and forth. Still a lot to do in the workshop. There's another area which needs some concrete floor and some boards on the wall to make it watertight. So once it's presentable, I will do a little shop tour. Got quite a bit of interesting kit here, but it's not good for public at the moment. There's still a bit of work to do on the Shaper. It works, but it needs a bit of adjustment and needs a new motor, because that is some bodged together thing here. It's been sold to me as an Alba 1M or Alba 1A or whatever. I'm not entirely sure if it's actually an Alba. There was another company who made those earlier. This is actually after I did the work. So it's got a new shaft, new bearing, reworked slider, things like that. It does work. I've got a few stills of some work which I probably put into the video. Let's fire it up. Eventually it works. Still a bit noisy. Cut some chips already. So for my liking it's a bit too fast, so it needs a slower motor. Or I'd probably fit a variable frequency drive. The motor is a bit small anyway. It's just what it came with. It's usable, but it's 80 years old, so it needs a bit of work. There will be some updates coming on that one as well at some point. I'll probably make a video together with what I have already. That's it for today.